Hi and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I have the MultiStreaming Kit 2 Streaming Studio Kit. So let's have a look. So we've got quite a lot of different options over here. Got the green screen, comes in a nice pack. It is quite big. Strap, perfect to fit in the chair. Let's see what else we have here. We've got a very important component here for the mic. There's the mic itself. Volume adjust. Pop that over the mic. We've got the cable. It's USB on one side. We've got the booklet, perfect for setting it up on the table. We've got this, it's perfect size for the mic to stand. Adjustments. Stand. So there you have it. Streaming entire set. Watching the video.